Hi, Casey here. I'm a permanent makeup artist, educator, and the owner of Bareface Beauty Studio at MACTI. This video will review the key factors for how long permanent makeup lasts. The short answer is between 1 to 3 years. Here's why. There are 4 factors to how permanent makeup fades on our skin. Number 1, the type of permanent makeup pigments used. Number 2, method of permanent makeup. Number 3, personal skin type. And number 4, personal living habits. Let's look at the first one, the type of permanent makeup pigments used. Before your procedure with a permanent makeup professional, make sure you ask if the pigments he or she uses are organic, inorganic, or hybrid. Inorganic pigments will fade away in about 1 to 2 years. Organic and hybrid pigments will stay in your skin for 3 times or even longer. I'll make a separate video on the different types of pigments. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Number 2, method of permanent makeup. There are many ways of doing permanent makeup. For example, ombre powder brows can be done with manual needles, machine shading, or machine dotting methods. Brows done with different methods will last differently. All methods could eventually create beautiful brows. Number 3, personal skin type. Skin type matters a lot when it comes to how long permanent makeup lasts. Permanent makeup tends to fade faster on oily and combination skin and last much longer on dry skin. Permanent eyebrows done by the same artist might last only 1 year on extremely oily skin and 3 years on clients with extremely dry skin. Number 4, personal living habits. Personal living habits affect how long permanent makeup lasts as well. For example, excessive sun exposure, frequent excessive sweating, getting med spa beauty treatments, and using skincare ingredients such as retinol will make your permanent makeup fade a little faster. There you go, 4 key factors affecting how long your permanent makeup will last. I hope this is helpful to you. Follow my channel for more permanent makeup tips and tricks. I'm Casey. See you in my next video.